This is the Due Vittorie Balsamic Vinegar from Modena, Italy. And it is a very, very tasty balsamic vinegar. What you're always going to want to look for is the first ingredient is cooked grape must. So the grape must is really important when it comes to balsamic vinegar. And this is from Modena, Italy. It will have the best by date printed on the cork, which is wonderful. Oh, you see how nice and thick that comes out? It's a really good quality balsamic vinegar, and it's absolutely delicious. So if you're looking for a good quality balsamic vinegar, I strongly recommend the Due Vittorie brand, as it is just fantastic.